So check it out. I got another Sound of Power tender today, so I thought I'd share with you again some of the life hacks I've learned that'll make these work quite dependably. What happens over the years is they get rust and corrosion on the trucks or on the rivets or on the wheels, and so you need to clean those off, the axles. And also how these work is they have the little actuator wheel that gets power to the board from the center rail, and then the outside rail gets power through the wheels, and obviously they're hooked to they've got metal axles to the trucks, and then through the rivets, and the board is grounded to one of the rivets that holds the wheel on. Well, one of the things that you can do, I think I'll push this back a little bit, if you can see it, is just nut and bolt the red wire right to the axle wheel. Maybe I'll move it a little closer, as I've done right here. Just ran the red wire out through the rivet, the hole in it, and out to the there's an extra lug here that would normally hold a coupler on, but because this is the end that has a tab and slot, it's open, it's not doing anything. You might as well give it some kind of purpose in life. So you can hook the wire right there, and I guarantee that the board, if it's a good board, will work so much better. You won't have any skipping, or I know some of them, they won't work in reverse because they're just not getting good ground. So that's one of the things I do. And then remember to always replace the foam board before you ever even put power to these when you get one. I use this foam type stuff from Hobby Lobby and just cut it to shape and put it in there. And then put your board and your speaker in first, and then put the foam board to protect it from getting grounded out. And so we're going to hook this up. We'll let a 333 here do the honors, and we'll see how it works. Let's turn the camera that way. Those reindeer are always hanging out, getting in the way. Here we go. And we'll try it in reverse. All right, so now it works really good, sounds pretty good. I've heard some that are louder, but you never know. Each one has its own kind of unique sound. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Also, don't forget to clean your actuator wheel. That should be clean enough to just about eat off of. And never forget, Jesus is Lord.